Good morning, folks. This is Naeem Aslam, live from London. In today's segment, what we'll be looking at opportunities in terms of a stock market where you can potentially come and buy or sell the market. Moreover, we will also discuss what is really happening with respect to Brexit and the current situation with coronavirus and the potential vaccine, and how everything within that is really influencing the stock market and currencies. Now, speaking of currencies, I am seeing a lot of bids or buy orders coming for sterling, which is supporting the price, because right now sterling is trading at 1.32 against the dollar, which is quite an improvement because it was trading below the 1.30 mark not too long ago. And all that optimism can really push sterling, basically make sterling more stronger against a number of currencies, whether you are looking at emerging currencies or whether you're looking at the developed market currencies. I think the path of least resistance, in other simple words, sterling is going to gain more strength in the coming days. So if you are holding sterling, it may be best for you to hold sterling for a little while. The reason for that is obviously the UK signed its first individual deal with Japan not too long ago, and now it is in the final stages of signing another deal with Canada. Now, of course, once that deal is signed, that will open the door for 14 other deals, because coming on January 1st, the UK will no longer be part of the EU. It can no longer enjoy the same rights which it did as part of the EU. So that means the country needs to have its own trade agreement, its own tariffs and taxes when it trade with other countries. Now, with respect to Canada, the UK is the third largest trading partner after the United States and China. So obviously that is quite meaningful from Canada perspective. But generally speaking, Canadians are nice people and that they're easy to deal with. So hence, this is a very much of a low-hanging fruit, which Boris Johnson is very much going for. Same happened with Japan as well. But the more difficult deals will come in as we move along. Nonetheless, I think it is likely that more deals will continue to forge as we move forward. That will help the sterling, and that will help the FTSE 100, the UK stock index as well, to move higher as well, because clearly that index is the lagging index so far. As for the US futures, the focus is on the immediate surge in coronavirus cases, because in New York, what we are hearing is that the schools will be shut once again, and that is going to have a negative influence on the economic activity. And of course, that means that we need more fiscal help, meaning more help from the government, another check from the government like the one that we received previously, because remember, during the previous round, Americans received $1,200 check from Trump administration, from the Trump government. Now, President-elect Joe Biden could also do the same as well, just to help the economy and the consumer confidence and the consumer sentiment, especially when the coronavirus cases are rising and they're influencing businesses and economic activity. Thirdly, what I wanted to look at is gold prices. Gold prices are certainly on the downward move. They are down by nearly $8 today, and trading in around 1,860. So the most important thing for gold prices is to remain above the 200, a simple moving average. Keep an eye on that particular average. That is very, very important price level, because if it drops below that and stays below it, very likely that gold price will go below or near 1,800 per ounce. So that could be the opportunity as well. Now, to finish off, what we can look at is Bitcoin price. Obviously, it has fallen below the 18,000 price level. Yesterday, Bitcoin was trading in around 18,500. Now, the Bitcoin price is trading at 17,500, so nearly $1,000 less than it was yesterday, and that is certainly a positive news if you wanted to get involved into this particular trade. That's all from my side. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.